3 months complete with this. Yes, yes, yes. See, this makes it like this. That's right. Two stations of this. Tram lights, yeah, with tram. Here it is, over the scale. Be crazy, yes. Oh, it's good. Some kind of serious ASTS things. Tram. Let's go. Let's go. Oh gosh. Alright. Get this in my key. There we go. Press. I'm gonna try very crazy like this. Pretty much almost like just about here now. Oh, here we go.
Next station, Evo Avenue. Change here to the lines 5 and 880.
This is kind of really crazy. Someone's like that. Very, very much. No bless like this. I can try this as well. Awesome. Alright, here we go again.
Next station, Station Street. Change here to the lines T80 and 881.
Yeah.
Terminus. Please leave this vehicle.
This is this is crazy, guys. Here stations just right there. Check this out. There's a bunch. Let me get the tram. Alright, let's see if I can guys make it. Alright, do that one. There it goes. Oh, please. There it goes. And this video right there. Wait. For there now. Yeah, now ASTS. See you guys at another ASTS. Okay, let's go start for ASTS here. Woohoo!